Tired of waiting forever for hot water at your sink? In this video, we review the best under-sink water heaters for instant hot water, energy savings, and easy installation. Check the link in the description below for full details and deals. Let's go! Getting instant hot water at the sink without wasting time or energy can completely change everyday routine. The Kenuos Under-Sink Instant Hot Water Heater is designed as a compact 5-gallon mini tank unit that delivers fast, reliable hot water exactly where it's needed. Powered by a 1,500-watt heating element, it heats water in just 4 to 6 minutes, making it ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, and food trucks. The unit features an upgraded stainless steel tank with increased thickness for extended lifespan, paired with an ABS outer shell for durability and heat resistance. An LED temperature display provides real-time monitoring, while the adjustable thermostat allows users to set temperatures from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Safety is a major focus, with overheat protection, high water pressure protection, flame-retardant materials, and a built-in T&P pressure relief valve. Installation is simple thanks to standard 1/2-inch NPT connections, included accessories, and compatibility with standard 120-volt outlets. Customers often praise its compact size, quick heating performance, and easy under-sink installation. Some users, however, note occasional leakage issues with the T&P valve, making proper installation and inspection important for long-term use. Waiting for hot water at the sink can be both frustrating and wasteful. The Thermomate electric mini tank water heater solves this problem with a 2.5-gallon point-of-use design that delivers instant hot water on demand. Operating on a standard 120-volt outlet with 1,440 watts of power, it provides fast recovery and consistent temperature control from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The build quality stands out thanks to its 3-layer glass-lined tank with fused porcelain enamel, which helps resist corrosion, rust, and scale buildup. An Incolloy 800 stainless steel heating element improves efficiency and longevity, achieving up to 99% thermal efficiency while handling high temperatures and pressure. Safety is reinforced through UL certification and an ASME-approved temperature and pressure relief valve. Its compact form allows for wall or floor mounting under sinks or cabinets, making it suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, boats, and food trucks. Users frequently highlight its reliable performance, solid construction, and ease of installation. The generous warranty adds confidence, although a few users mention that regular maintenance is important to preserve long-term performance and prevent pressure-related issues. Consistent access to hot water at the point of use can significantly improve daily comfort and efficiency. The Electrolux mini tank water heater offers a premium 1.5-gallon solution designed for under-sink installation in kitchens and bathrooms. With its compact footprint and 120-volt plug-in operation, it delivers hot water instantly without the need for expensive electrical upgrades. Built with a robust tank and precision-engineered fittings, this unit emphasizes durability and leak prevention. It includes advanced safety features such as dry combustion protection, high water pressure protection, leak detection, overheat protection, and a pressure release valve. The adjustable thermostat allows temperatures up to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, balancing comfort with energy efficiency. Electrolux's reputation for quality is reflected in the craftsmanship and long warranty coverage, including up to 6 years on the tank. Customers appreciate the quiet operation, reliable heating, and space-saving design. Many users also note reduced water waste since hot water is immediately available. While the capacity is best suited for single-sink use, buyers generally feel the performance, safety features, and brand reliability justify the investment. Having enough hot water for multiple uses without long waits can be a major convenience upgrade. The Thermomate ES700 mini tank water heater features a larger 6.5-gallon capacity, making it suitable for households that need more hot water at the point of use. Running on a standard 120-volt outlet with 1,440 watts of power, it delivers fast recovery with up to 99% thermal efficiency. The glass-lined tank enhances insulation and corrosion resistance, while the adjustable thermostat offers temperature settings from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, including a freeze protection mode. UL listed safety features and an included temperature and pressure relief valve add peace of mind. Its compact yet sturdy design supports wall or floor mounting under sinks or counters. Users often praise its strong winter performance, instant hot water delivery, and straightforward installation. Many consider it excellent value for money given its capacity and efficiency. However, customer feedback is mixed regarding long-term durability, with some reporting rust or valve-related leaks over time. Overall, it's well regarded for performance and convenience when properly installed and maintained. Reliable hot water with minimal waiting time can greatly improve daily tasks. The Feelrogast electric tank water heater offers an 8-gallon mini-tank capacity, making it one of the more powerful point-of-use options available. Equipped with a 316 stainless steel heating element, it delivers rapid heating with up to 99% heat utilization and adjustable temperatures from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The tank is constructed with thick stainless steel and a multi-layer enameled coating designed to resist pressure, corrosion, and cracking. Safety features include leakage protection, automatic temperature control, high-temperature limiting devices, and electrical insulation on inlet and outlet connections. It supports wall, rack, or floor mounting and runs on a 110/120-volt power supply. Customers often highlight its fast heating, stable temperature output, and good value for money. Installation is generally described as straightforward, especially for undersink or utility room setups. Some users, however, report concerns about long-term lifespan and occasional leakage. Overall, it's viewed as a powerful and versatile option when installed correctly and used within recommended limits. Saving space while getting hot water instantly is a top priority for small kitchens and bathrooms. This electric tankless water heater features an ultra-compact, wall-mounted design that provides on-demand hot water without a storage tank. With a 3,000-watt heating system, it can quickly raise water temperature depending on flow rate, making it ideal for hand-washing and light-duty applications. The lightweight ABS construction includes an LED display for temperature monitoring and multiple safety protections such as dry boil protection, leakage protection, IPX4 waterproofing, and automatic power shutoff. Thermal efficiency reaches up to 98%, helping reduce energy waste. Installation is straightforward with standard 1/2-inch NPT connections, though vertical mounting is required for proper operation. Users appreciate its compact size, easy installation, and suitability for undersink use. Many find it a cost-effective solution for instant warm water. However, feedback on heating performance is mixed, with some noting it may not reach very high temperatures at higher flow rates. It's best suited for small-scale point-of-use needs rather than showers. A compact hot water solution can make everyday tasks more efficient without taking up valuable space. The Nuanbo electric water heater is a 2.5-gallon mini-tank unit designed for rapid heating and easy under-sink installation. Powered by a 1,500-watt heating element, it delivers hot water quickly with adjustable temperatures ranging from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Constructed with thick 316 stainless steel, the tank offers strong resistance to corrosion, rust, and pressure. Multiple safety protections are built in, including high-temperature limiting devices, electrical insulation, leakage protection, and a temperature and pressure relief valve. Its compact design supports wall, rack, or floor mounting with standard 1/2-inch NPT connections. Customers frequently praise its fast heating performance, attractive design, and small footprint. Many note that it reaches high temperatures within minutes and installs easily using standard fittings. While primarily intended for sinks and light-duty use, it's well regarded for reliability and efficiency. Overall, it's considered a solid choice for those seeking instant hot water in tight spaces. That wraps up our list of the best under-sink water heaters to give you instant hot water and everyday convenience. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't forget to check the links in the description below for prices, features, and latest deals.